Guys, right here, I have my Govee. Guys, right here, I have my Govee Life air purifier with aromatherapy. It's really cool because it has a place for aromatherapy. Therapy with the air purifier. But the coolest thing is, there's a light. And this is a light that has different colors. You can change the brightness. You can have so many effects. You can even turn it off if you want to. But you can also connect it to the Govee app because it's a smart Wi-Fi air purifier. You can control all the settings. For example, if I want to turn off the light, I can use the app. I can turn on the light, I can use the app. I can make the fan speed on high. You see right there, it's a high speed. I can change this fan speed to low, meet the app. I can do whatever I want. I can have a sleep mode, so it's super quiet. That sleep mode is super quiet. I can turn off all the lights and the display too if I want to. Boom, see? Everything's off, but the fan's still running. I can turn the fan on right here. It's running on high. Good air purification, but all the lights are off. If I want the lights on, I can just push the lights. I can turn on. So the display and lights are on. Everything is cool because it's all controlled by the Govee app.